Okay, just for recording purposes, time check is 1:37 p.m. This is the original door to the house with the door casing, and they don't shoot any of the door casing into the actual studs on either side of the door casing. They kind of leveled it up and then shot the trim on. That's the only thing that's holding this whole door and door casing on. It's the same way they did it in all the rest of the doors in the house. Kind of do it that way. And since we are going to keep this door casing, I'm going to shim it, shoot it, and then we can pop this trim off, pop the door off. We're keeping the door, reusing the trim, reusing the door. But I can't take this off, otherwise the whole thing falls out. So, let's shim it up and shoot it in place. There you go, original to the house.